Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily record reimbursable expenses in QuickBooks. So all you have to do is head over to qbo.intuit.com and log into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on expenses, then expenses once again. So from here, we're gonna start by clicking on new transaction, then expense. So from here, just fill in all the necessary information such as the payee and payment account, also the payment date and payment method and reference number. And from here, you can also add the reimbursable amount if applicable. Then once done, just click on save. You can also save and close. And so that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!